What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Mega Charizard X from Pokemon. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page at the top edge of the nose. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start on the left with a curve going up and then out. Line this up on the right and do the same thing. Now on the ends we're just going to curl this around and then down across the outside of the nostrils. Now we're going to step in and draw the nostrils. From the left side I'm going to swirl this around going up, around, and just tuck that in along the inside. And I'll fill the inside of the nostrils in black. Let's go to the top point of the nose. We're going to draw the brow. We're going to come in and then up on either side. And then in the center, we're just going to add a fold, going up and then down. Let's draw on the eyelids, starting from the bottom of the brow. We're going to curve this up and then out. Let's go back to the bottom. We're just going to curve the bottom of the eye, coming down and then up. Let's tuck the side of the eye in behind. From the top, I'm going to step down, round this out, and pull that in towards the bottom. And then we're going to pull the pupils towards the inside. Starting from the top left, we're going to draw a half oval. Coming down, just pull that in. In the center, let's draw a small circle. Now from here, we're going to draw the top edge of the mouth. Starting in the center along the bottom, start with a point. I just want to bend this out and then up, go back to the center and do the same thing on the right. Now from the top we're going to step back down, bend this out and then down to create a little bit of a fold, round this out, go out and then up just underneath the eyes. Let's add two sharp teeth, starting from here, bend this down and in. Now I'm just going to taper this out and back up underneath the mouth. Now from here, we're going to layer the flame in behind the side of the mouth. From the top, we're going to step down, start by going up and out, bend this in, out, and then swirl that back in. Let's take that shape and flip it over on the right. So we're going to start from the inside, going out, in, out, and then pull that back up. Now we want to work our way around the outside of the flame. Starting from the top left, bend this around, and then in. At a point going out. And come down, in. Now I'm just going to draw a swirl going back up towards the tip. Let's do the same thing on the right. Coming around, then in. Let's add that point. Come down, in, and then again, just adding that swirl. Now I want to bring that flame coming back in underneath the mouth. Starting back on the left, go out and in, go out. Now I'm just going to bend this up underneath the mouth. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's add in the tongue. Starting from the left side, bend this down and in towards the center, go out and then back up. Now just underneath the tongue, we're going to add the edge of the mouth, curving this down and up. And then from here, bend this out and then up underneath the flames. Let's add two sharp teeth across the bottom corners of the mouth. Let's draw the edge of the jaw. We're going to step out, bend this in and then down towards the chin. And then we'll round up the chin, going down and back up. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw on the horns. On top of the left eye, let's start with a curve. We're going to go up and then out and then bend that back in towards the top of the horn. Let's line this up on the right, going up and out, and then bend that up towards the same height. Let's round up the tip of the horn, come all the way around the outside, and now I'm just going to bend this in towards the outside of the brow. In between the horns, let's add a curve for the top of the head, and we'll separate the tip of the horns with a curve on either side. Now let's go back to the bottom of the horns. Just going to bend this in and then down across the outside of the eyes. And we're going to add one more point along the side. On the left, we're going to step up, bend this out and then up. And then come down and in behind the flames. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Mega Charizard X from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.